Okay, honey. So this is just gonna be a little review for you. We're gonna solve this problem x times x to the 1/3 power times 2x to the fifth. So first things first, let's go ahead and cancel an x. This x here, let's move it to the bottom of the denominator. So we'll have x to 1/3 over 2x to the fourth. Okay, so next we can deal with these two terms here. So this is going to equal to, now I'm going to put this 4 in terms of the fraction. So I'm going to make a common denominator between the two, which is 3. It's going to be the 3. So I'm just going to write what's on the top, x to the third over 2x something over 3. So what do I gotta do? This is denominator is 1. So I did, in order to get 3 in this denominator, I have to multiply the 1 by 3. So what I do to the bottom, I would do to the top. So 4 times 3 is 12. Okay? So next step, move this term down to the denominator also. So I have 1 over 2 to the x, 12 over 3 times x to the negative 1 over 3. Okay? So next thing, I just need to, since multiplying the x terms here, all I have to do is subtract the exponents. So I'm going to do that. So I have 1 over 2x, and then so x, I have 12 minus 1 is just 11 over 3. Okay, and that's your answer. 1 over 2x, 11 thirds. To 11 thirds. Alright, so one more for review. I have 2x to negative 2 power x to the 4/5 power y to the 6 power over x plus y, and I believe I'm supposed to have a negative all to the power of a negative 1 up here. So this is supposed to be alright, so first things first, since we have a negative 1 power, that means that we can flip these two to get this to a positive 1 power. So let's do that. So we're just going to have x plus y is going to go to the numerator, and the entire numerator is going to go to the denominator, because they have the negative 1 power. So remember, that's because x to a negative 1 is equal to 1 over x. Okay? So if I had negative 1 over x y, that's going to equal to the y will go to the top and x goes to the bottom. Okay? And if I wanted to, I could write it to the 1 power. So flip them, so I have x plus y over 2x squared to negative 2x squared, x to the 4/5, y to the 6. Alright, so now I can go ahead and mess with these terms now. So that'll equal x plus y over, write the 2. The only thing that's common here is the x's. So make the exponents to the same denominator. So the common denominator here is 5. So if I write x to negative 2, I'm going to write x to something over 5. So what is that in the numerator there? Well, if this numerator here, this denominator here was originally 1. So 1 times 5, I did 1 times 5 to get 5. So same thing I had to do what I did to the bottom, I gotta do to the top. So I gotta multiply the top also by 5. So negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. Okay. So then I just write my other terms. 4 fifths y to the 6th. So next thing, now I can go ahead and add them together or subtract them. So I'm going to write 2, and then I have negative 10 fifths plus 4 fifths. So negative 10 plus 4 is just negative 6. So I have negative 6 over 5. So x to negative 6 over 5 times y to the 6. So usually you don't want to leave this exponent as a negative. So what we can do is multiply to the top. So we can multiply to the top. There we go. So all that means is we're going to bring it to the top, and then we're going to multiply the exponent by a negative. So a negative times a negative is a positive. So x to the positive 6 fifths times x plus y over 2y to the 6. Okay, and you would just leave it like this, because I mean you could go ahead and distribute it into terms, but that really doesn't do anything for you. So leaving it like this will give you a good complete answer. Okay.